Trying to conceive and getting a negative result can feel very overwhelming. Like, it can be very discouraging for you to try every month, do everything you're supposed to do, and still you're not getting pregnant. It can be very discouraging, and most women end up giving up. Today in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 reasons you may not be getting pregnant in 2025 and the things that you should do in order to improve your chances of getting pregnant in 2025. If you're watching this video after 2025, you can also implement all these tips listed in this video to also improve your chances of getting your bundle of joy in your next cycle. Number 1 on my list is irregular ovulation. As simple as this sounds, ovulation is something that people see as common, but it is a very serious matter. Most women don't ovulate. No, they don't. And they are not even aware that they don't ovulate. And this can lead to delay in pregnancy, even without knowing. So people have cervical mucus during the month, but they still don't ovulate and they are not even aware. Stress, weight changes, hormonal imbalance, PCOS, and all these environmental factors can delay someone from getting pregnant. What kind of environment are you living in? What kind of environment are you working? What kind of food do you eat? How is your environment? Do you really understand your ovulation? These are the questions that women should ask themselves. Like, it is recommended by WHO that if you have tried to conceive for over a year and you've been getting negative results, that is when you need to go for tests. They will do HSG for you, do sperm analysis and other relevant lab tests in order to prove or to know if there is any other reason why the pregnancy is being delayed. Most women have not done this. Most women have stayed 2-3 years trying to conceive and they have not booked a session with a gynecologist, not even for once, to know exactly what the problem, to know if their eggs are still viable, to know if they have any blood fallopian tube, to know if their partner's sperm has the right quality, quantity, and motility. Most people have not really done this. Now, if you have not, you have been trying for over a year, book a session with a gynecologist, all right? Use ovulation trackers to track your ovulation. Buy ovulation test kits to test when you're ovulating, to know if really you are ovulating. By doing this, you will improve your chances of getting pregnant. And if there is any underlying cause, you will also find out and start the treatment immediately. Okay? Number 2 on my list is unhealthy lifestyle. Yes. Nowadays, especially in 2025, we have been exposed to a lot of sedentary lifestyle. We spend too much time on our phones. We eat junk food. We expose ourselves to chemicals. We expose ourselves to rays. We eat just about anything. We don't watch our weight. We don't check if what we are putting in our mouth is healthy. We take all these hormonal drugs, all these beauty medications, skincare products, all these things that have subtle effects on our hormones, but we are not even aware. Most of us we're not regulated, like we're not disciplined enough to know the type of food that we should eat, the type of food that will help boost ovulation, type of food that will help boost fertility. We don't mind. We buy food from the street, we just eat anything we like, and at the end of the day, our hormones are becoming very irregular. Now, for you to improve your chances of getting pregnant in your next cycle, try to watch what you eat. Eat more of leafy greens, vegetables, eat more of lean protein, take a lot of water, reduce your intake of alcohol, reduce your intake of soda drinks, reduce your intakes of all these hormonal pills. If you're on contraceptive, stop taking contraceptives. Try to keep yourself as clean as possible. Maintain a good, healthy lifestyle. It will really improve your chances of getting pregnant. Many people take this for granted, but this thing, as little as it is, has a huge impact on how you can get pregnant, and even the quality of eggs that will be released every month, and even the type of pregnancy and the quality of pregnancy you will have, all depends on your general health. So let us take this as serious as possible, okay? Number 3, untreated infections. Many women are not even aware that they have infections. Many women. They are not aware that they have untreated chlamydias and UTIs or even STIs. They are not aware. Do you know that gonorrhea and syphilis can be passed on through sexual intercourse? And sometimes, if you don't treat it properly with good antibiotics, it can have a window period where you may not feel any symptoms, but later on, it will start manifesting with more complications that you would expect. So treating underlying infections will also improve your chances of getting pregnant. Did you also know that some of these infections can also cause tubal blockage? It can cause adhesion in your fallopian tube. Like when the fallopian tube is blocked, the movement of the egg and the sperm will be inhibited and thereby leading to infertility. Getting pregnant in this time will be very, very difficult. So please, if you have been diagnosed with any form of infection and you know that you have not had a proper treatment, the best place that I would recommend is to go to the hospital. After the test result comes out, your doctor will prescribe suitable antibiotics for you so that you treat it once and for all. Stop buying drugs from over the counter and prescriptions from people that are not even medical professionals. People that because they took it or because they've heard about it, they will not recommend it for you, you start taking. And most of these antibiotics can cause dysregulation in your hormones. And because you are not aware, you keep taking them. Then when it's time for you to get pregnant, it starts affecting you. Make sure you take caution and please do it the right way. Okay? Number 4 on my list is hormonal imbalance. Now, when we talk of hormonal imbalance, we're not only talking about luteinizing hormone and follicle-stimulating hormones that are imbalanced, leading to polycystic ovarian syndrome. Now, low progesterone can also be a problem. Some women have low progesterone and high prolactin that they are not able to get pregnant because their progesterone and the luteinizing hormones are very low. Now, doing a hormonal profile test will help to detect if there is any hormone that is imbalanced or on the increase that is inhibiting pregnancy. But most women are not aware of this, and even if you ask them to go for this test, instead of planning themselves financially to do it, they'll be looking at the financial aspect of it, forgetting that these things will help to detect any underlying cause and help the treatment. So it is advised for every woman to go for hormonal profile test if you have been trying to get pregnant for a while and you're not getting a positive result. Okay? The next on my list is uncooperating partners. Sometimes the men will believe that they are 100% okay. They will not go for tests. They will not go for analysis to find out if their sperm has the right quality, has the right motility, and also has the right quantity. They will not find out. They will think that they are okay, that is only the woman. And this can hinder pregnancy. A woman can be 100% okay, but the problem will be from her husband. But she will not know because he has not gone for analysis to find out. So please, husbands should also endeavor to go with their wives to the hospital for all this analysis so that they will find out exactly where the cause is from and treat accordingly. Alright? Believe me, a lot of pregnancies are hindered because of male factors, but most men may not agree. Many pregnancies are determined by the quality, the quantity, and the motility of the sperm. And most times, miscarriages and not getting pregnant have been linked to male factors. So husbands should also endeavor to do their own part so that the root cause will be discovered and pregnancy will come sooner. Okay? The last on my list is timing and misconceptions. Many women believe that their ovulation is on the 14th day. Your ovulation is only on the 14th day if your cycle is 28 days. If your cycle is less or more than 28 days, then that is not your ovulation. Understanding your menstruation will help you 50% of the chances to get pregnant because you will know when you're ovulating, you know the next time your menstruation will come out. But most women don't know. So people have 25-day cycle and they're waiting for their ovulation on the 14th day, which is not possible. So try to understand your own body system. Also know the signs of ovulation, like your basal body temperature, the cervical mucus, and how you feel whenever you know that it's time for your ovulation. Knowing these signs will also help you to meet with your partner at the right time. Meeting with your partner at the wrong time is also a red flag. It will also not make you get pregnant because a woman that is complete and okay has only 25% chances of getting pregnant in each cycle. Imagine 25%, and if you don't meet with your partner at the right time, you also lose the 25%. So good timing and also knowing your ovulation will also help you to get pregnant fast, especially in 2025 and beyond. All right? Conceiving can feel like a misery sometimes, but knowledge is power. Like I always say, what you know, you can better control. So if any of these I've listed in this video today, you can relate to any of them, please find time to do something about it, all right? Book a time with a gynecologist, improve your health, improve your lifestyle, and believe me, you'll be on your way to getting your positive results. My name is Nosnelo. This is my channel. I post pregnancy and fertility tips every day and make sure that all my mamas are healthy at all times. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn the notification bell so whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to see it, all right? Don't forget to share this video and ask questions in the comment section. I'll be here to answer, all right? See you in my next video.